The Nike Corporation has been a faithful friend in taking care of our feet for decades with style and grace. With styles and additions to please even the most discriminating taste, Nike has established some of the most popular lines of sneakers on the planet. As one favorite would phase out, another would hit the scene, and with even more deluxe features and enhanced aesthetics. The company has taken their inspirations from a variety of resources, from impressive cities to amazing athletes, and this has brought in an even stronger wave of faithful patrons who anxiously await the next edition of their favorites. Brilliant design and engineering go into each high-quality production, and the Nike brand has rightfully become a household name and first choice for many by default. The Air Max is one such line, so we're happy to present the top Nike Air Max sneakers in no particular order. Nike Air Max 95 Air Total Max. This model was released in 1995 and gained in popularity quickly. Part of the attraction was because of the comfort it gives with its conformation to the anatomy of the human foot. Form-fitting yet not too snug, it gives the wearer the sense that the shoes are just an extension of their own feet. The Air Max 95 was noted as one of the most tested shoe brand and models in UK forensics labs because of its popularity among the criminal element. We don't believe that at all. It's just a very popular shoe with everyone in the criminal subjected to testing simply had good taste. Nike Air Max 1 Air Max 87. The Air Max 1 was released in 1987, and it was an edition that came on the scene before visible air units were a thing, so to speak. It was the first to show the inner workings of the implanted device that brought about the incredible dimensions of comfort that the Air Max line is so well known for. This shoe is still a phenomenon that is still firmly rooted in the hearts of Nike fans, and it remains a timeless classic to this day. Nike Air Max 3 Air Max 90. The shoe was released in 1990 and had a tremendous appeal, so it was reissued in 2000 by popular demand, and the name was changed from Air Max 3 to Air Max 90 just to cut down on any confusion that might arise. The classic aesthetics with the same Duro-Mesh synthetic suede uppers and an infrared colorway resumed the style with a popular TPU panel which surrounded the air bubble. The attraction of this sneaker is still going strong today. Nike Air More Up Tempo. Hitting the scene just 2 years after the famed Nike Air Max Up Tempo, the Nike Air More Up Tempo came to life in 1996. Already recognized for outstanding comfort, this popular sneaker was fitted with a full-length Air Max unit and side panel that advertised max comfort. It was a favorite of Scottie Pippen and basketball fans who followed his lead. Nike Air Max 180. The 180 made its debut in 1991 with a new look that was a big success. Nike increased the Air by an additional 50% and adorned the edition with a clear sole. This innovative design became a hit with Nike fans and brought a few others in to boot. It was an excellent example of Nike innovation. Nike Air Max LeBron 8. We couldn't leave the LeBron 8 out of the top favorites. This shoe debuted in 2010, touted as the top luxury and high-performance basketball sneaker made. Comfort was enhanced with a 360-degree Air Max unit along with Flywire technology with a leather upper and aesthetically pleasing colorways, which made it tough to keep these babies on the shelf at local retailers. Nike Air Max BW. One of the sharpest designs in the Nike Air Max lineage, the Nike Air Max BW features a leather upper with sleek design and the classic Blue Ribbon Sports 1000 carbon rubber waffle sole. The Air unit was positioned at the heel for added comfort and performance. The BW was released in 1991 and made a tremendous impact on Nike fans who are still loyal to this favorite today. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure that you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.